Hi everyone, so I'm just popping on to see how my voice goes, see if I can actually do a little video, just to keep you in the loop what's been happening this week and how the money's been going, etc. So, as I said, I've had a really sore throat and really bad cough. Not sure if it's COVID, but we won't go there. I've had 2 funerals this week, so it's not been a very good week. So I just wanted to pop on and show you my cash envelopes. And where did I put my book? Oh, it's in here. Just to explain a few little bits. So this week I aimed for 3 no spends. Didn't get there. Monday I went to bingo. Tuesday I went to Asda. That was for some trousers for Dave for a funeral. Wednesday I put a donation in at the funeral for a hospice. Thursday we went to Dobby's and bought our lunch. It was £20. That was out of town with friends. Friday was another funeral, but didn't spend any money there. And meal out Saturday, which was in our down and out envelope. Excuse me. Down and out envelope, so that's all gone, but still not a no spend day. And Sunday is a no spend. So 2 no spend days, not too bad. Overall thoughts for the week: spend day has to be expected, and meal out Saturday needed. So food, I've still got £40 remaining. Everything else went, and we're on to week 2, which is week 28, week 2 of July. And I had rolled over the money for shopping, but I'm not sure it's going to stay there. If I don't need it, it will come out and go into something else, maybe into birthdays, because it might be a bit short. So we've got food. Let me just get these out of this envelope. I think there's only the shopping one. So the shopping one, got 40 left. That goes into our food shop for week 2, and then can come out. So I've got 80. And fuel is 40, 220s again. And time out, time with friends, has still got 20. I think it's my hair next week. Got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 in there, that's good. And I filled this Peach Cheeks one in, which was 60, so that can be wiped off and done again. None in miscellaneous. So yeah, that's my weekly cash envelopes. It can be filled up again. I did clean off my penny challenge, counted what was in my non-saves pot, to make sure that was all on track, and filled it all in yellow because I can see it better. So what I do is normally put £1 in, do the next one, which would be 83, and then that would be 17 that I'd mark off there. So we'll meet in the middle. My Holly's budget tracker. This is my Smashpot tracker. So here's my Smashpot. We have changed some of the pound coins in it, and I'm aiming for 90. And we've got 5, 10, 15, 30, 45, 55 in there, I think. I've done that right. And 50p's are now in my drawer in here. Getting a bit heavy in my Saffiano. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, £10 in there. So when that gets to 20, I'll probably change it, not 25. And that can go in somewhere else. As I put on my community post, I have a little bit of a rejig. Just see if I've changed anything in here. So my Never Have I Ever came out of my Saffiano into here. And also I've popped in the Flies in July's. We got this studio. So all this will be what I save in July. And nothing else I don't think I've put in here. Nope. This is my binder, my Libra one. I wish I could stop coughing. This is my Christmas one. And I also popped in the money from the Friday Saver, which was 240. So I've now got 640 in the bank for Christmas, which I've put there, look, 240 Friday Saver. And there's also another 50 in there. So that is 690 for Christmas. Good. Coming along lovely. I took out my money from my holiday binder, which is the one for Cyprus. There's still 400 in the bank for that. So I don't think that'll get any in. I wish I knew how to edit coughs out. I'm just have a sip of my coffee. This is my binder from Stacey's Budget. It's my £1,000 one. And I took out some money I'd got in the cruise fund binder. This is a binder that I made of resin. So that's going to be put away because I don't need two. I'm going to put that away now. Now you've seen what I've taken out and it's all gone into this one. So we've got 40 in that one, 40 in that one, 20 in that one, and 20 in that one, 40 in that one. So I think it was 160 we've got now. Let's just check. 40, 80, 120, 140, 160. So I've got 160 in there, in the 1K binder. And this is my birthday one, and we're on July. Still got 45 in there, and I need 60. So I need £15. Putting in our next cash stuff in. Let's see if I popped anything in here. My emergency one. So I remember I took out 25 from the bricks challenge, and I was so desperate to use my new heads and tails dice from Holly's Budgets. Don't know what that is. So I've popped in now my non-all saves coin flip, which I rolled 2 tails and a heads, which is 25. So all these in this binder will go towards an emergency fund. Probably one we've saved a couple of hundred or 100 even. It'll go in the bank. So we've still got our funky flowers, money multiplier, rock, paper, scissors, and I think that's it in there. So I don't want to do too many, because like I said, you spread yourself too thin, you don't get anywhere, and you don't see the progress you're looking for. I don't think that one's changed. That's my annuals and my Dingley designs. I don't think I've popped any more or took anything out. Oh, I took out the night out meal. That's for tonight. I think that's everything in there. It is. So yeah, I think I've shown you all I wanted to show you. So next week will be our week 2 check-in of July, and on to week 3. So we'll see how we go this week. I hope you're all doing really well. Look after yourselves, and I hope the sun starts to shine soon. Take care. Bye.